Hey guys, good morning and welcome to another jam-packed episode of Behind the Closed Doors. Today, the workshop Essential Lighting Techniques with Danique. Now you might wonder, hey, I know that name, Essential Lighting Techniques. That's absolutely true. We recently released a full-length instructional tutorial, yes, called the Essential Lighting Techniques. So what is Essential Lighting Techniques all about? Well, as the name suggests, it's all about lighting, but most of all the essential lighting. So, what is essential lighting? Well, let me talk about that a little bit. But let's first get inside, because it's pretty cold. Now, we all know that photography is of course about lighting. But how do you properly light a subject? What are the different kind of modifiers? How do you place your light? What is feathering the light? How do you meter the light? And so much more. Just start out with photography? It's a whirlpool of ideas. How do I set up this? How do I do this? What happens when? But even if you're a seasoned pro, there are always certain tips that you miss, forget, or never learned. And today it's all about those tips. It's a jam-packed workshop with everything about, well, lighting. But also, of course, models, storytelling, posing. I think it's one of the most complete workshops for everybody that wants to start at the basics and then in one day absolutely go to the top with more advanced light setups. But the most thing we do today is a maximum of 2 lights. So main light and accent lights, but accent lights in a different way. Going to use a little bit of lens flare, a little bit of accent lighting. How do you make accent lighting work that you don't see all the hairs just showing up? How do you make that nice and easy? That kind of stuff. It's an exciting workshop and we have a great model. Danique is awesome for this kind of stuff. Oh, and by the way, this is the video about this workshop.
Standing at the door, I'm on the way. A million things I guess that I should say, but I am done.
Everybody has arrived.
Yeah, I am done. Letting go of all my heavy load. I waited for the moment to unfold. Nobody's gonna make me feel I'm going down. Oh, I'm doing alright, I'm doing okay. I stand up and take it as I go. It's not a shade of mine. Oh,
Everything about you perfectly undone, and I was like a statue staring into the sun. If I jump, I will fall, guaranteed. 20 seconds later, I did. If I jump, I will fall, guaranteed. 20 seconds later, I did. And I'm going down, and I'm going down, and I'm going down again. Yeah. You don't need a lipstick to kill someone with a smile. Is this another trick I haven't played for a while? No. If I jump, I will fall, guaranteed. 20 seconds later, I did. If I jump, I will fall, guaranteed. 20 seconds later, I did. And I'm going down, and I'm going down, and I'm going down again. And I'm going down. I try not to fall for make-believe, but this is something else. I better be careful. You're beautiful, and I'm going down again. Hey, 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 hey. If I jump, I will fall, guaranteed. 20 seconds later, I did. If I jump, I will fall, guaranteed. 20 seconds later, I did.
Okay guys, that was the workshop for today, and of course you want to see the results, so here we go.
hello, emotions. Hello again. As every ocean comes.
Hope you like those results. If you want to see more, just leave comments below. And of course smash that like button, but most of all, tell other people about it, so our channel can grow for you guys. Next week, more behind the closed doors, because we have some really interesting stuff coming up. See you again next week. Bye bye.